So guys, look at those. They came out so good. And see, when they're, look at them. I'm letting them cook and they're kind of dark. Oh my God, but they taste amazing because some of them are kind of thick. And when they're thick, you want to make sure they're done in the inside. So you want to make sure you get an even cook all the way around. What's up, Soul Squad? Happy hump day. Guess what? Y'all saw those wedges. You know you got seasoned fries, season this, season that. You always wonder how they do it. Well, one of my subscribers and dear friend, she had my flour, and she's called Life with Kennedy. Guys, check them out. Remember, description below. Well, she did a video on my seasoned flour, and yeah, something I never even thought about as far as nothing I ain't even thought about as far as like using potatoes and making wedges and using my flour, seasoned wedges. So we're going to get started. We're going to wash the potatoes off. We're going to cut them into wedges. I got the deep fry going. My granddaughter crying. We got a house full. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I got 4 large Idaho bacon potatoes, and these going to be for my wedges. I'm just taking some cold water, scrubbing them off. If you got a toothbrush or anything, you can use a toothbrush to scrub them. You really want to get that dirt off of them. So I'm just scrubbing them. I can't wait to taste this. My mom made it. She made it. You know, it's shocking. So guys, if anybody got my flour out there and you decide to make it on something other than what I suggested, please send me a picture and let me know, and I will try it. And I tried it on camera, so I'll be trying this on camera for the first time. Just want to make sure my potatoes is really just, you know, these potatoes that you hand pick from the store, even the ones in the bag, they be kind of dirty. And since we're leaving the skin on, I just want to make sure, you know, they're good to go. Good to go. Look at this one right here. I don't know what be happening, girl. I think I cut that by accident. I don't know. Yes. Again, you got a toothbrush. I didn't have a toothbrush. A new toothbrush, not no old toothbrush you find laying around the daggone house. And just scrub it. But I'm using my hands to scrub, you know, and cold water. And so I'm going to go ahead, turn this water off. I'm finished scrubbing these, and we're going to cut these into wedges, guys. And then once we cut them into wedges, we're going to let them sit in cold water to get the starch, like for 10 minutes. You know, this will help with the starch from the potatoes so they can be nice and crispy. I'm just shaking them all. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, again, these are potato wedges. This is the potato. I struggle, guys. But I don't make the best ones, but you want to make them even. So take your potato, cut straight down the middle. Ooh. Make sure your counter dried off. Make sure you got a good knife. Right? Lay it flat like that. Then you go to the middle. Cut the middle. Then cut the side. Cut the side. Boom. Potato wedges. Ha ha. Lay it flat. Cut straight down the middle. Cut the side. Then go and cut this side diagonal. Boom. Potato wedges. Tell me that ain't what it is. Now, sit in some cold water for about 10 minutes because you want all the starch off your potatoes because you want to make sure they get really, really crunchy. So we're going to sit this in cold water about for 10 minutes. My grease is getting hot, and we're going to come back. And guys, look at it. You can still see getting some of the dirt off. And let it fit in the cold water. These wedges going to be good. And these are 4 potatoes. And they made enough for everybody. And I'm not making anything good with these. Just some what? They want some hot dogs. I got some hot dogs with some cheese in the middle. I forgot the name of them. Yeah. And this has helped get extra dirt. This helped get the starch off of them. Now if you let them sit in your cold water for about 10 minutes, come back, rinse them off, and then you're ready to go. We're going to be ready to go 10 minutes, like I said. Can I juggle my eggs? No, I can't. Okay, so I'm going in with 3 eggs. And remember, my friend gave me this recipe. So, this is my first time trying this. Again, if you get my flour and you try it on something and it came out amazing, just let me know. Because that's what we're doing now. I'm beating up the 3 eggs. My potatoes are ready. Make sure that oil is nice and hot. I'm using my deep fry. And if you want my flour, please go to soulfultdinners@gmail.com. It's $8 a bag plus $8 for shipping. So, let me see. She told me I can follow instructions, right? Yeah. Go in with the wedges in the egg batter. Shake them off. Shake them off. Stick them in the flour. And my mom also did it. So, and she said it came out great. All my wedges not completely the correct size. Try to make yours as even as possible. This is not my forte when it comes to making wedges. I am not the best wedge maker. Because you want to ensure that they get done in the inside when you deep fry them. You don't want them hard. So if you know how to make better wedges than I do, do your thing. I'm making my plate too small. Here it is. So I got a lot of flour here, but I just can't maneuver it. Without making a mess. I don't want to make such a big mess. I'm excited. Thanks to everybody who's been, just going in deep fry. I'm just going to let them sit before I put them down. Yeah. Shake it all. I'm going to do more than one. Try to do a couple at a time. Shake them all. Okay. Oop, making a mess. Have a lot to do. Now, I guess what the egg does is help it stick to it. And also give it that flavor. So, seasoned wedges. I think that's more than enough in there. I'm going to drop these ones. I might do 2 more. Let me do 2 more, guys. Get them nice and coated with the flour. Yeah, that egg help that flour stick. So you have to most definitely use that egg. Oops. Front, sides, tops, and bottom. Shake it off. Yeah, my wedges may be a little bit too big, so I gotta really make sure they're done in the inside.
Mo!
Oh, I got that back right to call everybody Mo. Where did she get that? But she back here be like, "What's up, Mo? Huh, Mo? Oh my God, she's Sue. Where she hear the word Mo?" And there they go. Live action frying. I'm excited because, again, I never thought about potato wedges, seasoned fries. If this worked, guys, well, I don't know, her video looked good. Life with Kennedy. Remember, I put her in the link. Check her out. She made them. Moving around. I don't want them to stick, but I want them to cook. So we're going to let those cook, and I'm going to flour, season some more, and get ready for the next round. So, guys, look at those. They came out so good. And see, when they're, look at them. I'm letting them cook and they're kind of dark. Oh my God, but they taste amazing because some of them are kind of thick. And when they're thick, you want to make sure they're done in the inside. So you want to make sure you get an even cook all the way around. I got a pal right here on my counter ready to go in there. The kids are loving it. They taste amazing. Remember the corner store? You go get some potato wedges and chicken from the, what's that thing called? Gas station or what? That's how these taste like. Oh my God, they're so amazing. When we be back, guys, this video gonna be through in a minute. Look at those wedges. Looking good. And these ones not that thick. So guess what? These ones are done. Ready to hit that plate. Look how beautiful they look. These are beautiful. They're not as thick as the other ones. Man, girl, Life with Kennedy, thank you guys. Thank you. Another dish for my channel. Another dish for my family. They love them. They already tasted them. They're amazing. But guess what? I'm going to clean up my mess. We're going to come back and we're going to end this video. Look at that. Looks good. Guys, we back with the final wedges. Tell me these don't look good. This remind me of going to our little 24-hour store or a gas station getting French fries and wedges. Tell me this don't remind you of that. If you haven't had a wedge in a long time, you haven't had a good tasting wedge in a long time, guys, Soulfultdinners at gmail.com. Come and get your flour, people. Oh my goodness. And guess what? I got a few more to put in. Remember, I love this stuff. And they go. We're going to clean that up. But look at these. Tell me these are not good. And got your ketchup. Use your favorite condiment, honey mustard, or anything. Ooh, this one hot. I was trying to find the one that we all been eating off of. I want you guys to see the inside of one. This look good. Look at that. Golden brown. That crisp. It's done in the inside. Nice and soft. And ooh, I'm about to. Let me taste this. It's hot. Now make sure I get enough ketchup, no double dipping here. It's so. That is good. Get your flour. Make some tomato. It's so good, I can't even tell them what to do. Okay, wait a minute. No season needed. Get your flour. Make some potato wedges. Follow Vegan World. Description below. Shout out to Life with Kennedy. Great idea, guys. Love this. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, guys. Potato wedges!